started making the giant daisy leaves, here's what you'll need. A pair of scissors, paper clamps, I recommend using 3 to make things easier, a glue gun, glue sticks, a ruler, floral wire, your leaf template, 180 grams crepe paper. I'm using this weight because it holds the shape really well. Use your ruler to measure and cut a piece of crepe paper 20 by 40 centimeters. Once you've got your rectangle, cut it diagonally from corner to corner. Now take both pieces and align them together in a kite shape. You want the grain of the crepe paper going outwards. This will help your leaf look more realistic when we shape it later. Grab your wire and lay it along the edge of one piece of crepe paper, but don't go all the way to the top. Leave about 5 centimeters of wire exposed at the bottom. Now add glue along the wire and secure it to the paper. Leave a tiny gap of a few millimeters along the edge. Next, run a line of glue down both sides of the wire and carefully place the second half of your crepe paper over the top so it overlaps. Press it together to sandwich the wire inside. It should now look something like this. Take your leaf template, place it on the top and secure it with your paper clamps. Carefully cut out the template, trimming away any excess paper first to make it easier. Once you get to the lower part of the leaf, remove the clamps one by one so nothing shifts out of place. Twist the end slightly just to tidy it up a little bit. Now cut a small strip of crepe paper and give it a little stretch. Add glue to the exposed part of the wire at the bottom of your leaf and attach the paper. Cut another piece of crepe paper, this time 3 cm by 15 cm, and stretch it too. Add a bit of glue to the lower part of the leaf and then wrap the bigger piece of paper around the stem in a downwards motion. If you need any extra help with the stems, I have a full video on giant flower stems. I'll link it in the description box if you would like to check that out. Finally, give your leaf a gentle bend by shaping the wire. You can make it curve slightly for a more natural look, just like a real daisy leaf. And there you go, that's how you make your giant daisy leaf. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow and it lets me keep making more tutorials like this one for you. Let me know in the comments what you're making your daisies for, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye guys!